An Italian storytelling session was arranged by the Consul General of Italy in Karachi at the consulate to celebrate the 21st week of the Italian language, which is being observed from 18 to 25th of October all over the world on the 700th death anniversary of Dante, author of one of the greatest works of medieval poetry, the Divine Comedy. Some 85 million people speak Italian as first language, while it is the most studied language in the world for culture and tourism. The Consul General welcomed teachers and students from a number of primary schools of the metropolis. Poem Alpha Elio was narrated. Let me introduce myself. I'm Elio, the musician elf, the only true artist. I'm cheerful and funny, an intelligent creature, black hair, shiny eyes. I make all the inhabitants happy. I live in a tree on the hill that resonates with notes every morning. I play my fairy flute in the woods and with sweet melodies enchant every meadow. I organized concerts and dance parties in the flowery meadow, all of us rejoicing. Fable Red Riding Hood was read out in Italian with simultaneous English interpretation. Later, students were invited to take part in interactive learning activities which were designed to introduce them to the basics of Italian language. All the students were presented participation certificates. Talking exclusively to the News Pakistan TV, the Consul General stated,
Welcome to the Week of the Italian Language in the World. I'm the Consul of Italy in Karachi. This year we organize a very nice event for children because we want to start from the children. We want children to learn about other languages and other culture, and especially Italian language and Italian culture, which is very much appreciated in the world. And children education is the most important thing, so we look forward to do more in this field, in the field of language learning, in the field of cultural learning. There is a lot of attention from Pakistan towards Italian language and culture, and at the same time a lot of people in Italy they study and love Pakistan and Pakistani languages. Thank you a lot.